In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Canva to access your microphone and camera. Before we dive into the process, let's talk a little about why you might need to do this. If you're using Canva for presentations or creating video content, accessing your microphone and camera can be essential for adding a personal touch to your projects. Now, let's get started with granting these permissions to Canva, ensuring that your audio and video features are seamlessly integrated. Firstly, you need to open your web browser. Canva is most commonly accessed through browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari, so let's assume you're using one of these. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Canva website by typing in www.canva.com in the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you to Canva's homepage, where you'll need to either log into your account if you aren't already or simply continue if you're already logged in. On most browsers, you'll find a small lock icon next to the URL in the address bar at the top of your screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will show various settings for permissions related to that particular website. Look for options that are titled Camera and Microphone. These options are crucial as they determine whether or not Canva can use these features on your device. At this stage, you might see that they are set to either block or ask. In order to enable Canva's access, you'll need to change these settings to allow. Simply click on each and select Allow from the available options. Adjusting these settings will enable Canva to utilize your device's camera and microphone, allowing you to enhance your Canva projects with video and voice. Once you have allowed access, it might be necessary to refresh your Canva page for the changes to take effect. This is done by either clicking on the refresh icon, typically found near the address bar, or by simply pressing Ctrl and R on your keyboard at the same time. If you've followed these steps correctly, Canva should now be able to interact with your microphone and camera without any issues. If you encounter any difficulties, ensure your browser is up to date, as sometimes outdated software can interfere with access permissions. Also, checking your device settings may help, especially if you suspect that something at the device level is blocking access. For further troubleshooting, visit the support section of the browser you are using for more detailed guidance. Now, you're all set to dive back into your creative work on Canva, leveraging both video and audio features to their fullest. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your Canvas tools for compelling content creation.